Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing conditional resident visas. For those who are unaware what the full title of that is, that's the CR1. That's an immigrant spouse visa for someone who is married to an American citizen for less than 2 years at the time they are admitted to the United States. And a CR1 visa holder is in what's called conditional resident status. So that means 90 days prior to the 2-year anniversary of their arrival in the United States, they need to file for what's called a lift of conditions. Now that said, I thought of making this video after I saw a recent posting on the Twitter feed of Our Country, Our Choice, and they put up this thing that said, Biden offers path to citizenship to spouses of U.S. citizens. Now what I thought was odd about this is spouses of U.S. citizens have always had a path to citizenship. And in my mind, it's a good thing. I mean, if you're married to an American and you're not, you don't have any grounds of inadmissibility or any sort of criminal record, why shouldn't you be allowed a path to citizenship, but at least a path to remain in the United States? Again, a CR1 visa is an immigrant spouse visa that one can apply for while their spouse is abroad and process that case through an embassy abroad. We do a number of those cases. We process a number of those cases from the U.S. Embassy here in Bangkok. So it's pretty common for us to be handling those. But yeah, you are on a path to citizenship just by dint of being in immigrant status, because 90 days prior to the 3-year anniversary of arrival in immigrant status, a person can file for what's called naturalization to U.S. citizenship. So again, there's always been this path, and for the most part, I'm on the same wavelength as Our Country, Our Choice. Don't get me wrong. And I very much agree with their stance on the total crisis at the U.S. southern border. But that said, I don't see how that conflates in with spouses of U.S. citizens having an ability to basically not only immigrate to the United States, but possibly naturalize to U.S. citizenship. If anything, I think that, that's pretty much a good thing.